In the last lecture, we have started the first lesson of Learn Commerce, the introduction of commerce and business. In the last lecture, also cover human activities, econ activities, or non-econ activities. Understand the definition of employment and their features. Understand the definition of profession and their features. Or today I explain about the business definition and their features. A business word come from a business word come from the busy and nice. A person always busy or known as business. A business is a typical economic activity or to object on profit by conducting a production or purchase and selling of goods and services. A business is typical economic activity to object on profit. Their motivation of business earning profit by conducting production or purchase and selling the goods and services are known as a business. A business a definition provided by the various authors as follows. The first definition, Professor Honey provide definition. Business activities are those human activity are those human activities which are directed towards the production and a processing of wealth. As per the Hanning, a business is only human activity which are directed in doing a production and processing of wealth is creating money or known as business. A second definition provided by the Professor Pride, Hugs, and Cooper. The organized efforts of individuals. The organized efforts of individual to produce and sell for profits. Sale for profits. The goods and services. The individuals either produce goods or buy and these sale for profit are known as a business. A third definition by Stephenson as a regular production or purchase and sales of goods undertaken with an objective of earning profits and acquiring wealth through the satisfaction of human wants. The regular production है either purchase and sale of goods with object earning profit and acquiring wealth by the satisfied human wants. A Dick's definition business refer or to form of activity conducted with an objective of earning profits for the benefit of those on whose behalf the activity is conducted. The Henry definition, a human activity directed towards producing and acquiring wealth through buying and selling of goods. And the all definition conclude is only one meaning. A business is a human economic activity. It's a humans done by the human economic activity or to object earn profits. The business only done for earning the profits. by conducting industrial means production and commercial activities, buying and selling activity. Business is a typical economic activity to object earn profit by conducting industrial and commercial activities. Features of business. An economic activity. A business done by human for earning the money. So is economic activities and business. In the business, a human purchase goods or produce goods and sell on the profits. So the business is the economic activity. In the business, no place for love, affection, feeling, and sentiments. It's a totally economic activity. A parties. Every a business transaction involve an exchange. In the business involve two parties. One is the buyer and second seller. When two parties come together, that time make the business. And the necessary exchange of goods services with money. Profit motive. A business only done for earning the profits. A businessman always try to maximize profit by either increase value of sale or reducing the cost of production. A profit is the spine of business. Profit is the spine of business which keeps the business going on long term. A profit is the ultimate aim, the basic aim of the organization. A profit is a parameter of the business because profit are used by the businessman for satisfying their own needs. The next feature production of goods and services. In the business, the first is production. Before exchanging the goods and services, they should be produced by the business enterprise. Goods are either manufactured or purchased from the supplier with aim of selling the further or to consumer for profits. It means a production of goods and services is the first a base of business. Without production, it cannot possible to sell another. Exchange. A business involve transfer of goods services directly or indirectly with money or money worth. A monetary exchange is the exchange with the money. The goods can exchange with money or another goods. Goods are exchanged with the money or another goods. Example, money transaction and barter transaction. In the money transaction, goods services are exchanged with the money. Buyer provide the money and seller provide the goods. But in the barter system, a buyer get the goods and seller also goods from the buyer. Seller also get goods from the buyer. So exchange with money or money worth. Dealing in goods and services. Every type of business, every type of business, either goods and services, dealing goods or services. The goods can divide two parts. One is the consumer goods and second capital goods. Consumer goods means which goods are used for satisfy the human wants, known as consumer goods. Which goods utilize to directly satisfy the human wants are known as consumer goods. Example, tea, pencil, milks. And the capital goods, which goods are used for creating the another goods, which goods are used for creating the another goods or known as capital goods. एग्जाम्पल फर्नीचर इट्स अ कैपिटल गुड्स है. इट्स फर्नीचर क्या है? कैपिटल गुड्स. गुड्स है. लैपटॉप कैपिटल है. Presently I use the laptop for teaching purpose, for the online class, but using the softwares it's a consumer goods, but using the laptop it's a capital goods. The purpose for creating the another things. Continuity in dealings. A one-time sale or not a business. One-time sales, not a business. So require continuous deal in transactions. Because continuous supply, continuous sales, it provide maximum profit to the organization. One-time sale earn profit, not a business. But continuous selling the goods, it's a business. So business continue uncertain or returns. Uncertain or return. In the business, a profit not fixed. In the business, profit not fixed, not be predict or not be guaranteed. Not be predict or guaranteed. A businessman sometimes earn profit, sometimes suffer the losses. So uncertain rand. Then element of risk. A risk is the key element of every business organization because a profit or future is uncertain. If uncertain, it may be chance a risk. When business are bearing the losses, it may be risk for organization. A risk can be avoided by insurance or by proper planning insurance. But sometimes like dislike, fashion, changes in method of production, fire, theft, natural calamity, the risk available in the business. Customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is the ultimate aim of economic activity. Is the ultimate aim of economic activity. A business only done for customer satisfaction. The well-known definition of Philip Kotler, a business nothing but just only create customer value. In the business, for the repeat sale require consumers. So every businessman try to retain customers. So every business try to retain customers because a continuous sale of goods only possible when customers satisfy or towards goods and services. Clarify होते सगळं. Again, all point repeats. A business is the typical ecom activity to object earn profit by conducting industrial and commercial activity. It also show in the images. The first is the industrial activities. The production of saris. They make the cotton saris by the handlooms. And second image is selling goods to customers. The business involve industrial and commercial activity. The production or purchase and selling goods and services to customers. The first feature is ecom activity. Can business only done for earning the profits without money or not having the business. Only love, affection cannot be business. In the business, no place love, affection, sentiments, emotion, no values are. Only profits. Parties. In the business involve two parties. One is a buyer and second seller. A buyer buy the goods and seller sell the goods. Absence of one party, not a business complete. Because business is an exchange of goods and services to another person with profits. A profit motive, a profit is the difference between the production cost or purchase price and sale price. The selling price always more than the purchase price or production cost. So the profit I do, and profit always used to satisfy the own needs of businessman, and businessman try to maximize profit by various activities. He can try to increase sales of goods. He can try minimize cost of goods. Next feature, production of goods and services. In the business, the first step is industrial activities. So by industrial activities, make production of goods and services, convert the raw material into finished goods. Woods cannot be utilized, but make furniture can utilize. Wood are not directly used by the consumer. If make the furnitures, it can utilize. A plastic not directly utilized, but make the proper shape, give the proper shape to plastics, it can utilize. So production goods and services. Exchange of goods and services. In the business, a goods service are exchanged with the money or another goods. Either money transaction, either barter transaction. Monetary means when goods and service exchange with money, known as monetary transaction. And when goods service exchange with another goods services, known as barter transaction. Presently, everybody use money transaction for exchange of goods service with money. Dealing goods services. A business deals various type goods and services. The consumer goods and capital goods. Consumer goods means which goods are directly used by the consumers. Which goods satisfy the human needs, known as consumer goods, and which goods are used for creating the another goods, which goods used for creating the another goods, known as capital goods. Example, tea, milk, pencils, it's a consumer goods. And soaps, a coffee, a food grain, it's a consumer goods. A capital goods, a machineries, a plant, इट्स अ कॅपिटल गुड्स आहे. तुमच्या घरामध्ये जो फ्रीज आहे, इट्स अ कॅपिटल गुड्स आहे तो. गॅस आहे, गॅसचा जो स्टोव आहे, इट्स अ कॅपिटल गुड्स आहे. वॉटर प्लांट असले घरामध्ये, इट्स अ कॅपिटल गुड्स आहे. वॉटर इज अ कंझ्युमर गुड्स, बट आरो प्लांट इट्स अ कॅपिटल गुड्स. फ्रूट्स कंझ्युमर गुड्स आहे. पण ज्यूस मेकर मशीन इट्स अ कॅपिटल गुड्स आहे. Continuity, a one-time sale, a one-time deals, a goods services, not a business. Require continuous sale of goods and services. So continuity must require in the business. Uncertain returns. In the profit, a return not fixed. It cannot be predict or guaranteed by others. A business may earn profit or suffer the losses. A sometime profit, sometime loss. A win-win situation, provide profit, and loss situation, bearing the losses. Element of risk. Element of risk. A risk is the key element of business because uncertain return also bearing the risk for organization. A businessman bear risk due to like dislikes, consumer taste, changes in fashion, changes in method of production, fire, theft, natural calamities, disasters may bring losses in the business. It may be avoided the loss by making proper planning or taking insurance. Customer satisfaction. The ultimate aim of business is to satisfy the customer needs, the satisfaction of customer. The well-known quotation of Philip Kotler is a business nothing but just create customer value. It means satisfy the customers' wants is the main thing of business because customers satisfy continuous purchase from the shops. So every businessman try to satisfy the consumers. So here stop the lectures.